everyone. Welcome to Happy School Online for Mandarin Learning. I'm your teacher, my name is Sally. Our today's video teaches you how to buy something in Mandarin. You might have watched our HSK Level 1 video. Mrs. Zhang bought a lot of things. Due to the biggest sales at the shopping mall, she often uses the Chinese character
买
to indicate her action or intention to buy something on the video. Okay, let's start.
买
Is a verb. It means to buy or to purchase. The simple structure can be subject plus
买
plus object. For an example,
我买书
I buy books.
我
Is a subject. Means I.
买
Means to buy.
书
Mean books. So, combine them.
我买书
Means I buy books. Let's see more examples.
我们买苹果
We buy apples.
彼得买电脑
Peter buys computer. Its negative form is
不买不
means no or not.
不买
Means do not buy. Let's see more examples.
我不买书
I don't buy books.
我们不买苹果
We don't buy apples. We use
买了
to express already bought.
了
Has the meaning of completion.
买了
Means you have already bought. The simple structure can be subject plus
买了
plus object. For examples,
我买了苹果
I have bought apples. Its negative form is
没买没
means no or not.
没买
Means haven't bought. For examples,
我没买苹果
I haven't bought apples. Next, if you want to express an intention to buy in Mandarin, we use
要买要
has the meaning of an intention to do.
要买
Meaning is intend to buy. For examples,
我要买苹果
I want to buy apples. Its negative form is
我不要买苹果
I don't want to buy apples. Let's recap what we've learned today. We use
买
to express buy in Mandarin. The simple structure can be subject plus
买
plus object. For an example,
我买书
I buy books. Its negative form is
我不买书
I don't buy books. We use
买了
to express already bought. The simple structure can be subject plus
买了
plus object. For an example,
我买了苹果
I have bought apples already. Its negative form is
我没买苹果
I haven't bought apples. We use
要买
to express an intention to buy. The simple structure can be subject plus
要买
plus object. For an example,
我要买苹果
I want to buy apples. Its negative form is
我不要买苹果
I don't want to buy apples. Okay. That's all about our today's lesson. I hope you find it useful and fun. If you are interested in our course, please visit our website and join us. See you next time. Goodbye.
再见